the judgment given by a particular person is not apt, so you can appeal against that judgment. You can request the court, or you can request the judiciary to change the particular judge. But going on media on a daily basis and criticizing the supreme power, that is not right. That is what Supreme Court is saying.
Okay, okay.
Satyam, yeah, she was asking, Soumya was asking, contempt of court. I was talking about that only. We will discuss that also. Okay. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Palak is here.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Palak. Nandini is here. Nandini, hi, good evening. How you guys are doing? Why so sad? Yeah, Lakshmi. Harsh, good evening.
Yes, sir.
Have you started that content which I have given you yesterday?
Yes, sir. I have started.
Will it be completed in 3 weeks?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I'll complete it.
You have to write and learn. Chumpi, have you done that?
Okay, sir.
अमन आ गया भाई. अमन कैसा है भाई?
गुड इवनिंग. गुड इवनिंग.
गुड इवनिंग.
बढ़िया.
कल अमन को मैंने बहुत डिस्टर्ब किया.
सही था. अभी वो क्लियर हुआ नहीं है ना?
नहीं, अभी क्लियर नहीं हुआ. मैं खुद क्लियर करूंगा.
मैंने वो क्वेश्चन ढूंढा, मेरे को मिला नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं क्लियर करूंगा. चिल कर. पहले आज हम राइट टू लाइफ पढ़ेंगे, उसके आगे पढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि ना मेरे को अब थोड़ा सा कोर्स फास्ट करना है. ठीक है?
ठीक है सर.
उसके बाद मैं वो समझा दूंगा. कल एवरीवन इज हियर. 2 minutes are left, then I'll talk with you guys. आज बहुत बड़े बड़े आर्टिकल्स हैं. Arya is here. फोर ओ क्लॉक. अच्छा, हो गया. अभी तो 3:58 हुए. बहुत बढ़िया. ओके. Nandini has given a personal chat, sir. Are you aware about I'm a new joinee with that? Nandini, I know that you are a new joinee, and I'll explain you. I'll explain you everything. Okay, like don't worry about it. Okay, now let us go with the class, then I'll talk to you. Okay. Okay, don't worry. Anyways, your entire polity will be started again. So you continue with the class, and everything will be started again. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay. Nandini, please write in like public chat. You are sending private chat messages, so I have to read others' messages separately. Okay, there is an option called as public chat. If you don't mind, please write in that. Okay. Good evening, Arya. I was reading Nandini's text. Okay. Okay. So the thing is, guys, yesterday I gave you a certain PDF, like 3 PDFs I gave. It was late night, approximately 2 o'clock. I gave that PDF. That PDF, you just blindly learn whatever is given in that PDF. I will give you 12 PDFs this year, 12 PDF. Okay, like this May to next May. I'll try to cover that this May to next May. I'll give you the 12 PDFs, okay? And this PDFs will cover the entire portion of your prelims. The questions won't be tougher than this because the questions there are very much at a very high level of questions. Don't randomly cramp it, okay? Don't randomly cramp it. Just understand the concept. If you are not understanding any concept, just not a you was the recording, man. You should be before time. Okay, anyways, I'll just recall the things. I have given you 3 PDFs yesterday late night around 2 o'clock. The 3 PDFs include every subject of yours, and that PDF, like this year I will be giving you 12 PDF from this May to next May, and most probably next exam is on July 27th, so I'll cover the June stuff also. Okay, so you have to revise that PDFs multiple times. Write and learn. Write and learn. Don't learn it randomly. Okay, just write everything and learn, because that is very important. And before going for prelims exam next year, the prelims exam is on July 27th. Okay, before going for prelims exam, what Arya is typing? It's on June 20, yeah, June 27. Okay, Arpit, yeah, right. It's on June 27. So the current affairs till June 15th we will cover. Okay, the current affairs, because yeah, Nandini, you need to make notes of this PDF. Okay, proper notes. So we will current affairs of we will cover till 15th of June. We will the current affairs till 15th of June, and before going for the prelims on June 27th, the current affairs this PDF has to be revised approximately 10 times. Okay, if you revise this PDF approximately 10 times, you will get more than 80 to 90% questions directly. Okay, so don't miss anything. Okay, so revise it. If you are learning it for only once and you are not revising it, it is of zero use. And if you are revising it twice, no use. At least 5 to 10 times you need to revise. Okay, 5 to 10 times. And I'm seriously saying it, guys. If you revise, no, you will easily go through the prelims, and I can give you that in writing that you will go through the prelims if you revise. And for mains also, I will provide you with similar answer writing PDFs. Okay, now let us come back to our Indian polity topic. Article 21, right to life. Okay, what is right to life? Everyone has right to life. Okay, Nandini, after the class, I'll explain you. Okay, I've explained others also regarding it. I'll guide you. Okay, what is right to life? Aman, what is right to life?
It's a right to have a dignified life.
वो तो नीचे लिखा है.
और क्या होगा?
आपके जीने का अधिकार. No one can snatch. No one can snatch right of a living from you, like right to live from you. Okay, you have right
Yes.
to breathe. Aman, see, but I'll ask you a question. Aman, your microphone. Switch it on. Voice is echoing. Okay. Everyone has a right to life. Like everyone born on this earth, no one can deprive them from their right to live. Okay, that means no authority or no person can hurt any other person or kill any other person or snatch their right to life. Okay, now I'll give you an example of it, like how right to life works. When I look at from overall perspective, now when I'm looking at from outer perspective, here it is simple 3 words, 3 to 4 words, right to life. This words seems very colorless and meaningless. Yeah, everyone born on this earth has right to life. Then why to specify this? See, there is a reason we have put this article under fundamental rights, and this part of natural rights also. Why this article is very important? Suppose a person has suffered an accident. A person has suffered an accident. एक इंसान रोड पे पड़ा है because he has suffered an accident. Okay, no one is willing to take him to hospital, him or her to hospital, because they feel that if they carry this person to the hospital, they will be in trouble. This usually used to happen in our society. ये होता था अक्सर कि हम किसी को hospital ले जा रहे हैं, then the person will be in trouble. This used to happen. Okay, right. Now, what exactly the right to life article provides you? The person who is the victim, the accident victim, also has certain rights. Like he also has the right to live life. Okay, now if the person who sees him, अगर कोई व्यक्ति उसको देखता और उसको टाइम से हॉस्पिटल पहुंचाता, तो there was a chance that he would have been saved. Okay, so the government of India and the Supreme Court has taken a decision that no cases will be charged against the person who is carrying the victim to the hospital, because there is a chance कि मतलब जिसने मारा है, he is the person who is carrying him. But majorly this article, right to life, helps all those victims, like be it a accident victim, be it a person suffering from any diseases, they all have right to life. So majorly this article helps the person to survive on this earth. Got it? You got an out of view. बाहर से समझ में आ गया what is right to life. Now we will go into deep. Okay. Okay. अमन समझ में आ गया? अर्पित, दिशांग, दिशा, मंजू. Aman, you didn't understand. Microphone.
No sir.
पूछो.
मतलब मुझे अभी ये चीज कुछ ज्यादा समझ ही नहीं आई, पूछने का क्या होगा इसमें.
तो मैंने बताया ही क्या है, मैं कह रहा हूँ आउटर व्यू समझ में आ गया. राइट टू लाइफ का मतलब जीने का अधिकार होता है, समझ में आ गया?
हाँ सर, ठीक है.
हाँ, तो बस इतना ही मैंने बताया, आगे कुछ बताया नहीं है. ठीक है, इतना समझ में आ गया ना. राइट टू लाइफ मीन्स अ पर्सन हैज right to live. No one can snatch a person's right to survive on this earth. Suppose I'll explain it more deeply, and I'll take this article in very deep, and because this is one of the most important article. Okay, see, Aman, I can't snatch your right to survive on this earth. ये समझ में आ गया? मैं अपने आपके इस दुनिया में जीने के अधिकार को, मैं आपके इस दुनिया में जीने के अधिकार पे रोक नहीं लगा सकता, या I can snatch your right to survive on this earth. Is this much is clear?
Yes sir. Sir, मर्डर तो वैसे भी एक क्राइम है ही.
नहीं, रुको. That is different thing. Wait. Okay. Is this much clear? कि मैं आपके जीने के अधिकार में, इतना क्लियर हो गया ना? अमन इज टाइपिंग. ओके, मतलब अमन स्विच ऑन योर माइक्रोफोन. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग यू.
कह रहे हो ना, मैं किसी के जीने के अधिकार को छीन नहीं सकता, तो उसका जो प्रोसीजर है वो मर्डर ही तो हुआ, और क्या हुआ?
अरे मैं आगे बता तो रहा हूँ, इतना समझ में आ गया? नाउ
ठीक है.
नो वन हैज राइट टू डिप्राइव, like no one has the right to snatch the right to life of an individual. Okay, now listen, you have your own privacy, your own world. Okay, I cannot intrude into your personal liberty as well. I cannot tamper with two things: your right to life, okay, and unnecessarily I cannot intrude into your personal liberty, like your privacy. Unnecessarily I cannot intrude. Now I cannot intrude into two things. Okay, this is what Article 21 says. No one has right to deprive, right to life and personal liberty, like your private space. Now, except under procedure established by law. Okay, murder, or if I am killing someone, that is a criminal offense. मैं ये बात कर रहा हूं जब criminal offense नहीं है तो कैसे मैं आपके लाइफ में इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकता हूं. See, what is the capital punishment? Capital punishment क्या होता है? What is a capital punishment? अरे speak up, someone speak up यार.
Hanged till death.
Death penalty, hanged till death. Okay, in that case also the court is snatching the right to life of a particular person, like execution. In that case also the court is snatching the right to life of a person, but that is allowed because it is under procedure established by law. Because that is under procedure established by law. I cannot intrude into your personal private space without the procedure established by law. I can do it like phone tapping, like intelligence is tapping your phone. Intelligence is tapping your phone for some security purpose. That is allowed because that is under the procedure established by law. But for harming you or for like hurting you or hurting your sentiments, I cannot tap your phone. Got it? So right to life is allowed. Right to life is allowed for every citizen. Every citizen born on this earth has right to life. They have their personal liberty with them, and only under one condition, if anything comes under law, these things can be intruded. Otherwise, no one can have any right to snatch your right to life, or no one can hurt your sentiments physically, mentally, on any condition, on any grounds. No one can hurt you. Okay. Wait, mercy killings. I'm coming to it. Arya. Just whatever I have told. What? Okay. Mercy killing, let it be. Harsh, what is your doubt?
In the case,
आवाज नहीं आई. आवाज नहीं है. हाँ.
Sir, in the case of Vikas Dubey, the police ने भी तो उनको मार दिया था उसको.
That was an encounter.
So, sir, but वो encounter था नहीं. So
that on papers it was an encounter, no?
Okay, then this is not allowed, like right to life was killing you.
See, you are talking about Vikas Dubey because he was a born criminal, right? He killed various policemen, and like the government killed him, and police stated that the UP police stated that it was an encounter, right? Okay, but yeah, Harsh is saying yes, but there was a situation when like a rape case happened in Hyderabad, I guess, Telangana region. Okay, a doctor was raped, and the culprit was encountered, and there also the culprit had right to life. As an IAS officer and an aspirant of IAS officer, you cannot see both the cases differently. Harsh Musse, you are asking this question because Vikas Dubey was a born criminal. Okay, he has a right to life. At the same time, the culprit who died in Hyderabad, I agree he was a rape case culprit, he was a convict, but he too had the right to life. You cannot diversify both the scenarios, and in both the scenarios, let me complete one. In both the scenarios, the police termed as on official ground, this culprit tried to escape the police custody, so they were encountered. Okay, this culprit tried to escape the police custody, so they were encountered. This was the scenario explained. And once the culprit is trying to escape from the police custody, the police can encounter them. Okay, this is a judicial terminology, but what happened that we all know. Okay, एक मिनट. अमन, आप समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी यार एक और क्वेश्चन पूछा था. Actually, when you write lot of questions, they surrendered their right by running from the custody, not stopping even after warning. Okay, Dishant has given an explanation. Arya. Arya is talking about mercy deaths. Arya, basically mercy deaths are called as euthanasia. You know it? Do you know it? Arya, switch on your microphone. Euthanasia is mercy killing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Actually, do you think euthanasia was legalized in India? Has been legalized in India? Do you know about it?
No.
Euthanasia is, Aman is writing something. See, euthanasia firstly came in the foreign countries. Okay. There was a news regarding there was a news regarding euthanasia. Basically, euthanasia is giving a dose of drug to a person where the person is in a vegetative state. What is the vegetative state? Dr. Harini, explain us about vegetative state.
So when a patient is in coma or a brain injury, so extreme brain injury, or a person is brain dead, that person goes into a vegetative state. That is, a person's mental status as well as the physical status becomes nil. They cannot move, they cannot feel neither the respiration. Everything is going on a support for such a person.
Yeah.
So for such persons, there is cases that are going for mercy killings or euthanasia. Because such persons, it is difficult for the relatives as well as for the person to see them undergoing such a pain. For especially in case of cancer patients who are in the final stages, it's very difficult for the relatives, close relatives, to see them, as well as for them also to who are going through this pain. So they are asked for mercy killing, sir. They here also they file a case, and if it's successful, then only it can be done, sir.
See, very correct. Vegetative states. Harini missed one more thing I'd like to add to it. Like, vegetative state is a state where the person is under, like, his brain doesn't function, his heart doesn't function, and his body is not functioning, but he has life in him or her, and he is functioning on external support. But at the same time, when you go for mercy killing, there is one more condition added to it. A condition is the person is not expected to recover. There is 0.00% chance of person recovering. That kind of condition is called as vegetative state, and the person can undergo, like, the person is suffering from severe pain, and the person is acting like a burden on others, and there is very minimal chance of person recovering. An extreme case of accident, the person has life in him, but his body parts are cut. In that case, the appeal is launched, a plea is launched given to the Honorable President of India, and the President of India has the right to deal on a mercy killing. And Arya, that comes under a procedure established by law. See, any life can be taken, be it the capital punishment of hanging a person, or killing a person as per euthanasia, for mercy. That all comes under a procedure established by law. Clear, Arya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone clear? This article, now we will have lot of arguments also, and I love that argument. Because, okay, now this example between a very weird one. Okay, every person has, like, now I will explain this also, then I'll give you the example. Right to have a dignified life. Dignified life means I should give you equal amount of respect as you deserve. That means, see, if you have a dog, and if you are yourself, like you are the master, say, I can't force you to have your food in a same plate as your pet is having. Got it? I can't force you to have your food in a same plate in which your pet is having the food. I should give you equal amount of dignity in your life. That means there should be at most respect in your life. आपकी जिंदगी में respect होना चाहिए. Okay, so not only you have right to life, but you have right to have a dignified life. Clear? Clear? Anything? Okay.
सर
हाँ, Aman ask.
सर कैरेक्टर असैसिनेशन जो होता है वो इसी का ही वो हुआ, क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
Like character assassination, like hurting someone's sentiments और किसी को गलत बोलना, you mean to say that? मतलब ऐसा कैसे
Yes, sir.
ये बोल रहे हो? हाँ, it is like it comes under various article, अमन. अगर वो women है तो उसके लिए अलग laws होते हैं, male है तो वो depend करता है scenario में.
इसमें भी आएगा you know.
इसमें भी आएगा, इसमें भी आएगा, because I'll explain you. मतलब मैं बताता हूँ क्यों इसमें आएगा. क्योंकि right to life ये जो आर्टिकल है ना, ये आर्टिकल इट सीम्स अ कलरलेस आर्टिकल. इसका ज्यादा मतलब नहीं है. इट सीम्स वेरी कलरलेस. ओके, वेरी कलरलेस, दैट इट इज अ पेल आर्टिकल. ठीक है, इससे आपको मतलब, बट दिस Kezia, just a minute. Okay, this article has large number of interpretations. Large number of interpretations. Okay, इस आर्टिकल से आप इस आर्टिकल को बहुत जगह इंटरप्रिटेट कर सकते हो. और ये इंटरप्रिटेशंस कौन करेगा अमन? The judge who is listening to the case. Okay, now you asked me about character assassination. Suppose you are the judge of the case. You are a judge of a case and you are listening to a case. Okay, now the woman has complained that certain person has launched an attack on the character of the women, and it is under your prerogative where you explain, like you give the judgment according to Article 21. The women has right to life. The women has right to have a dignified life, because the convict, the person who is being blamed, the alleged person, has spoiled the character of this woman. He can be punished. So the judge has interpreted the article right to life. Got it, Aman? या और बताऊं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया? So this article has large number of interpretations, and I'm coming to that interpretations one by one. Okay, Kezia has asked a question, sir. Then this dignity is met even if there are caste religion differences. See, guys, there are two types of things we should understand in our society when you learn all this article. One is the constitutional opinion, जो भारत का संविधान कहता है, the Constitution of India. One is the general mindset of the people. Okay, I'll discuss Kezia and Nandini. I'll discuss both the issues one by one. Just give me 1 minute. See, first thing, on one hand, you have the Constitution of India, which has large number of articles. Okay, that is the Constitution, the supreme book. Okay, on other hand, you have the general people. General people can function according to their will, but what the Constitution tries to limit all the negative aspects in the society. Whatever you are saying, the caste and religious, does the Constitution of India says to diversify on the religion, on caste? No, the Constitution does not say. It is the mindset of the people who is creating this difference. It is the mindset of the people who is creating the difference. The Constitution never says or pinpoints that there should be a division on the basis on caste and religion. Clear? And as an IAS officer or as a person who is preparing for IAS, your opinion should always be on the basis of Constitution. Your opinion should differ from the common public perspective. Your opinion should be always based on Constitution of India. Clear? Kezia? Okay. Nandini has asked a question. Nandini, you are from which state? Tell me that first.
That UP.
UP. Nandini, what you are trying to depict in Sabrimala temple decision, also in dignified life? Tell me. What you are trying.
मतलब सर जैसे कि उसमें लेडीज को नहीं जाने दिया जा रहा था, तो ये उनकी डिग्निफाइड एक तरीके से उनकी मतलब अटैक था उनकी डिग्निफाइड पे कि वो कर रहे थे.
ये आपको किसने बोला नंदिनी कि शबरीमला में लेडीज को नहीं जाने दिया?
मतलब 10 to 40 की एज तक नहीं जाने दे रहे थे ना, उससे पहले की लड़कियां जा सकती थी इस बात पे, तो उन्हें भी डिग्निफाइड लाइफ का राइट है ना।
अच्छा, मतलब आपका कहना है राइट टू, वो डिग्निफाइड लाइफ में नहीं आएगा बेटा, वो राइट टू इक्वालिटी में आएगा, राइट? इक्वल अधिकार है, ओके ओके, इट इक्वल अधिकार है, महिला और पुरुष का इक्वल अधिकार है, इसलिए वो राइट टू इक्वालिटी में आएगा। डिग्निफाइड लाइफ का मतलब आपको अपना जीवन अच्छी तरीके से व्यक्त करने का अधिकार, जेंडर इक्वालिटी। क्लियर नंदिनी?
यस सर,
समझ में आ गया? ओके,
Okay,
इसका मैं आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन, इफ यू वांट आई कैन गिव यू द प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन आल्सो व्हाई इट इज नॉट अलाउड। मैं आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन दे सकता हूं, ठीक है? आर्या इज गेटिंग हाइपर विद आई थिंक। ओके आर्या, चल सी इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन, आई विल गिव यू द एक्सप्लेनेशन। In Shabrimala, I have been to that temple. Okay, I have been to that temple. The kids below 10 years of age, even the like girl child below 10 years of age, अगर एक girl child 10 साल से छोटी है, ठीक है, girl child 10 साल से छोटी है, तो she can go. Okay, Arya has gone. Okay, and a person who is 55 years of age, मतलब 55 years or more, I'm talking about females, okay, they can go. But a person who is between 55 and 11 years of age cannot go. There is a particular reason in it. See, when you go to Shabrimala temple, you have to follow a fast for 41 days. Okay, a divine fast in which you are not allowed for any sexual relationship. You are not allowed for like to eat non-veg, and you have to isolate from rest of the things. Okay. हर चीज का एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन होता है जो कि साइंस से रिलेटेड होता है. एवरीथिंग हैज अ रीजन विच इज रिलेटेड टू साइंस. Okay. Now, a person who is keeping fast for 41 days, he should not be indulged in sexual relationship. He should not be indulged in having any non-veg food or anything else. Like everything is isolated. But the reason is the girls who are under a age group of 11 to 54 years of age, 11 to 54 years of age cannot follow this fast due to particular physical reasons. ठीक है? You guys know that reason. किसी वजह से मतलब वो ये फास्ट को फॉलो नहीं कर सकते. तो that is the reason why in Shabrimala 11 to 54 years of age groups women are not allowed. Okay, and that is the reason. अगर आप इसके बारे में आगे like if you want to know more about it, I can give you a detailed explanation. Okay, नंदिनी समझ में आ गया?
Yes sir.
साक्षी?
Sir, we have right to believe now. So if a person says that I am not believing in 41 days of fast and I am believing in 20 days of fast, so sir, how can we say that you have to follow 41 days of fast because we have right to believe now?
See, right to believe is different thing. Up right to believe means you can have like belief on a particular religion. Like you can believe in Hindu Dharam, you can believe in Islam Dharam, you can believe in Christianity, but your belief should not hamper the sacredness of any other religion or that particular religion. मतलब इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि your belief, आपका जो belief है वो किसी और धर्म के sentiments को hurt करे. And this now Arya, the rule was part of temple culture. Okay. And and even in the judgment of Supreme Court, it has been properly mentioned. Okay, even like your belief should not hurt the religious sentiments. Your belief should not hurt the religious sentiments of that particular religion. मतलब आप ये इसका मतलब नहीं है कि आपका जो belief है उस religion के sentiments को hurt करे. I'll point out one more thing here. I hope you guys are not getting bored. Are you guys getting bored? No. Okay. Now listen. I'll point out one more thing here. On January 14th, I guess, right, Arya? January 14th or 15th, like on the day of Makra Sankranti. Makra Sankranti, there is a divine light which is lighted. There is a divine light which is lighted for 3 times on the hilltop of Shabrimala temple. Matlab, I'll explain you. Harini knows. Yeah. and that is called as Magra Vilak, and it is basically on the day of Makar Sankranti. That is like if it is hilltop, the lamp lights up here. Okay, the lamp lights up here 3 times. पहली बार आता है, फिर बुझता है, फिर आता है, फिर बुझता है, फिर आता है. Okay, now many people launched an appeal in the Kerala High Court asking how this lamp is lighted. क्यों ऐसे क्यों होता है? Okay, ऐसा क्यों होता है कि ये लैंप अपने आप जलता है? And what it is called? What is the bird? Eagle, right, Arya? Yes. After this light is lighted, eagle rounds around the temple 3 times. Okay, ठीक है, लाइट तो जला, दैट इज सबकी मानते हैं हमने, किसी ने जला दिया. ओके, अगर ये लाइट एक बार जला फिर बुझा, द लाइट लाइट्स अप वंस, इट गोज डाउन, इट अगेन लाइट्स अप, इट गोज डाउन, अगेन लाइट्स अप 3 times. After this, eagle rounds around the temple 3 times, like it rounds around the entire premises 3 times. Okay, now many people launched a plea on the High Court of Kerala High Court, asking the judiciary to inquire about this. The judiciary said that the judiciary launched an inquiry and they found a certain facts कि कैसे ये light जलता है, सब कुछ ढूंढा. And what did the judge give in the verdict? We know why this lamp is lighted. Okay, there are certain Adivasi people who are living in that area. They lights up this lamp, and there is certain rituals going in deep forest. Okay, in deep forest, this rituals is there, but we won't be telling why this lamp is lighted to the common public. We won't be telling this to the common public. The reason is we do not want to hurt the religious sentiments of a particular religion. We do not want to hurt the religious sentiments of a particular religion. Clear? So your belief should not hurt the religious sentiment of a particular religion. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? What happened? My voice is clear or not?
सर तो फिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्यों फिर ऐसा डिसीजन दिया कि लड़कियां लेडीज जा सकती हैं, फिर अगर ये सेंटीमेंट को हर्ट कर रहा है ना ये वाला बिलीफ?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने राइट टू इक्वालिटी के अंडर ये आर्टिकल में हर्ट दिया. आपको किसने बोला कि ये बोला किसने, मतलब कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये डिसीजन दिया है कि वहां नहीं जा सकती है?
नहीं जा सकते हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डिसीजन दिया कि जा सकती हैं.
हाँ, तो मतलब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने राइट टू इक्वालिटी के अंडर ये जजमेंट दिया है. ठीक है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये नहीं बोला, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये नहीं बोला कि वहां पे लड़कियां जा सकती हैं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये बोला है कि अगर कोई अपने इच्छा अनुसार जाना चाह सकता है तो वो जा सकता है, बट उस मंदिर के नियमों और कानूनों के तहत. एंड उस मंदिर के नियम और कानून ये कहते हैं कि कोई नहीं जा सकता. ठीक है, Arya is typing something. But what was the verdict, Arya, in Shabrimala? It was legal case for years. Okay.
Sir, it was a legal case for years. Like there are people who support and oppose the point like women should enter the temple. So if you look to the one point, it is supporting gender equality. If you look to the one point, it is a right of a person to persecute in a religion in its own way without hurting the religious sentiments of a community. So both the ways are right. And Supreme Court also has gone with the support of gender equality. It has created a lot of issues in Kerala during that time, including a lot of riots and attacking people, attacking women, etc. But Kerala government and also Kerala government during that time supported the Supreme Court's decision, and they allowed and they have given support to the women who is willing to enter the temple.
The Supreme Court stated in their judgment that it is the prerogative of the women to decide that whether a particular person can enter to the temple. It depends upon, but the temple's norm and the divinity should be kept on.
Yes. And it also asked the government to only support those who are willing to enter the temple, not to call all the women and say go enter the temple. It's not like that. Those who are willing to enter, they have to be given support by the government. It was the verdict.
Okay, fine. Clear? No, it is we went bit out of the topic. Clear? Okay, shall we move ahead? Okay. Lakshmi. Okay. Okay. Now, see, you have right to have a dignified life. You have right to have shelter. Okay. If someone who is not having a proper home, like the people who are having, like who are sleeping on the footpath, they can approach the court and saying, sir, I don't have a shelter, please take me to a shelter home. The Supreme Court will definitely consider that fact, but no one goes. So you are definitely have a right to shelter, or you definitely have the right to seek a safe environment. आपका अधिकार बनता है कि आप एक सेफ एनवायरमेंट में अपना लाइफ को व्यतीत करें, ठीक है, या शेल्टर. Okay, the third point is right of an accident victim to get a medical aid. If someone has suffered from an accident, उनके पास भी right है कि उनको भी कोई hospital ले जाए. ये सब right to life के interpretations है. All these sub clauses are interpretations of right to life. Okay, now the fourth point is very interesting topic, interesting point, like if I commit a crime, or if I have not committed a crime, suppose I have punched Arya's face, and I have not punched Arya's face, but Arya is a very bad girl and she has blamed me that I have punched her face, and she has launched a complaint against me. So obviously a case, because in our society women are given priority, and a case will be launched against me. So my case should not be dragged. All the trial should be conducted very quickly. So even if I am not found guilty, my image, there should not be character assassination. अगर मेरे लाइफ के ऊपर कोई XYZ person उंगली उठाता है, if someone is pointing fingers at me, like my trial should be fast. जो मेरे ऊपर कार्रवाई की जा रही है वो जल्दी होना चाहिए, उसको लंबा नहीं खींचना चाहिए, क्योंकि मेरा भी अधिकार है. Even I have the right to have a speedy trial. Otherwise क्या होगा? At end of 3 years you are saying this person is innocent, तो मेरे तो 3 साल गए ना. Got it, guys? Palak is not answering today. What happened? She is not here.
I'm here only.
What happened? You are not understanding the concept?
I'm understanding.
Okay. Aman, समझ में आ गया?
So, sir,
हाँ, पूछो.
sir, if someone wants to have a speedy trial, how can it convey to the court? What is the procedure for that?
You can find a judicial appeal. That my case is not listened. My hearings, case की जो hearing होती है वो जल्दी नहीं हो रही है. So please take some action on against it. So the judiciary will take action against it. आप एक appeal launch करेंगे, जो आपका जो case का जो trials होते हैं, ठीक है, सुनवाई जो बोलते हैं, वो जल्दी करने के लिए आप appeal launch कर सकते हो. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. The next thing is right to live in a clean environment. You have every right to live in a clean environment, and under trial should not be kept with, it is not victims, under trial should not be kept with convicts. Okay, I'll explain you. Under trial should not be kept with convicts. What does this mean? Like suppose, let us take example of Aman. These guys now don't mind. अगर मैं इन पे 2-3 example भी मार दूं. Aman has killed a person. Okay, so he's a brutal killer. Yesterday he told me that he's हथौड़ा त्यागी something, है ना? So he has killed a person and वो बंदा मर गया, and he's a very brutal killer. Okay, so you made me. ठीक है. He has killed a person and he's a very serious killer, and I am a very innocent person, and what I have done is Arya has blamed me again. Arya ने मेरे पे उंगली उठाई है that I have broken Arya's teeth. Now, but I haven't done that crime. Okay, I haven't done anything, but police has arrested me because Arya has blamed me. I am under trial. I am not proven guilty. मेरे पे guilty मतलब मेरे को ये proof नहीं किया किसी ने मैंने वो crime किया है, but मैं under trial हूँ, I am just under trial. At that scenario, even if I am arrested, I should not be kept with a brutal killer like Aman because it is dangerous to my life. It is a danger to my life if you are keeping me with a brutal killer like Aman. Okay, my life is at risk. So that is not allowed. Under trial, those who have not proven with a crime, those persons who are not proven with a crime, those persons who are like they are under trial, they have not been proven with a crime, they should not be kept with a criminal. Clear? Clear or not? यार अमन यार सॉरी यार, तेरे एग्जांपल से बच्चों को समझ में आता है, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? अब मैं एक ही चीज कर सकता हूँ कि अर्पित को कर सकता हूँ।
नहीं सर, मेजर के ऊपर आप लगाओगे तो गलत हो जाएगा।
मेजर के ऊपर अर्पित आजकल कुछ बोल नहीं रहा, अर्पित मेरे ख्याल से पढ़ नहीं रहा।
नहीं यार यही फिर है। लेकिन अच्छा जस्ट अ पॉइंट फ्रॉम माय साइड
या श्योर।
अभी पता है जैसे इसमें दे तो दिया राइट टू हैव अ स्पीडी ट्रायल, बट पता है इट्स एन ओपन एंडेड स्टेटमेंट, इसका कोई स्टेटमेंट का कितना होना है, ट्रायल कब होना है, दिस इज ऑल एन ओपन एंडेड स्टेटमेंट। अभी जैसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच आर ओपन एंडेड, तो ऐसा इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज आल्सो प्लेइंग वेरी सेफ इन दिस सेंस। अब आप अपने हिसाब से मैनिपुलेट करिए कि स्पीडी ट्रायल कितना होना चाहिए, कितनी स्पीड में होना चाहिए। नाउ दिस हैज बीन लेफ्ट टू द कोर्ट, कोर्ट के परसेप्शन पे छोड़ दिया है कि डिपेंडिंग ऑन द नंबर ऑफ cases they have, number of judges they have, which session में everything has been passed on to this courts. Also in addition to this जो Sabrimala case था, in Sabrimala case also though the court has given the verdict, but in the fundamental rights, in the right to religion, it is very clearly written कि any religion has a right to maintain its own institution and establish and maintain its own institution without the interference of any other person. So though court has given no, but it is again contradicting to our fundamental rights which have been given in the constitution. तो again court का verdict जो आ गया है वो again जो वहां पे पंडित से उनके ऊपर वापस चला गया है कि कोर्ट ने तो verdict दे दिया है, लेकिन आप कैसे मैनेज करना चाहते हैं ये आपके ऊपर है। तो everything there are plenty of things which are in this.
Arpit is very correct. Arpit is very correct. I like whatever he has told is very correct. There are some articles in Indian Constitution which is very open-handed, which can have n number of interpretations. बहुत ज़्यादा interpretations हो सकते हैं as per the prerogative of the judge. Judge के mindset से. Now understand the situations. Arpit's mindset can be different and Jithin's mindset can be different. Both can have different interpretation. अगर हम दोनों का interpretation अलग है तो हमारा judgment भी अलग हो सकता है, ठीक है? So जब especially जब article 21 की बात कर रहे हो, when you are talking about article 21 ना, so this article are very controversial articles which can have different interpretations. Okay, now इसके लिए अर्पित जब आप कोई भी केस आर्टिकल 21 से देखते हैं ना इन रिलेटेड विद आर्टिकल 21, तो कोर्ट को कुछ चीजें फॉलो करनी होती है. दैट थिंग्स मेक्स दिस आर्टिकल मोर एंड मोर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर प्रीलिम्स. आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट थिंग्स एज वेल कि कौन कौन सी चीजों पे आपको ध्यान देना पड़ता है, ठीक है? लाइक ड्यूअल प्रोसेस ऑफ लॉ, प्रोसीजर एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय लॉ, दीस थिंग्स आर आल्सो देयर and that will follow, so you will have a better clarity about this. Okay, now sir, under the custody of police means like you have been taken to the police custody, the police ने arrest किया है बेटा. दिशा clear?
You are now unmuted.
Yes sir.
Okay, क्या हो गया?
So they are not taken to the jail ना, बस they are under the vigilance of the police.
No, vigilance is separate thing. आपने मेरे पे एक आरोप लगाया कि इस बंदे ने मेरे साथ कुछ गलत किया या इसने मेरे को मर्डर करने की कोशिश करी, तो पुलिस मुझे डेफिनेटली उस क्राइम को इन्वेस्टिगेट करने के लिए मुझे जेल डालेगा. 14 डेज का जुडिशियल रिमांड होगा, अगर 14 डेज या 60 डे का जुडिशियल रिमांड होगा जहां पे मेरा केस प्रूव नहीं हुआ है बट मेरे खिलाफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है. जुडिशियल रिमांड में इसलिए भेजते हैं कि पुलिस को एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम दिया जाता है टू क्वेश्चन मी. The police gets ample amount of time to question me and get the relevant information or evidence, to collect the evidence. इस टाइम पे जहां पे आपको जुडिशियल रिमांड में भेजा जाता है, उस टाइम पे जिस बंदे को अरेस्ट किया, he is not a proven convict, वो proven guilty नहीं है, ठीक है? तो उस टाइम पे उसको एक बॉर्न क्रिमिनल के साथ नहीं रख सकते. क्लियर दिशा?
You are now unmuted.
क्लियर आवाज नहीं आई.
You are now
Clear, sir,
unmuted.
clear.
Okay. Arya, one should respect the one who is serving the nation. Acha, Arya has given you ample amount of support, Arpit. अर्पित को आज नींद नहीं आएगी रात को. Okay. Now write down Article 21. Write down Article 21. No one has the right to be deprived. No one has the right to be deprived of his or her right to life. No one has the right to be deprived of his or her right to life. The personal liberty of a person cannot be violated. The personal liberty of a person cannot be violated except under a condition or procedure established by law. This I have already explained. Okay. When you look at Article 21, this article may appear very colorless and a dull article. But this article has a very large interpretations, and these interpretations can lead to having lot many inferred rights. ये लिखा है मैंने यहाँ पे, having lot many inferred rights. आपको मैंने बताया ना कि आर्टिकल 21 व्हेन यू लुक फ्रॉम आउटसाइड बहुत कलरलेस लगता है, बेकार का आर्टिकल लगता है, बट दिस आर्टिकल हैज अ वेरी लार्ज इंटरप्रिटेशंस. इस आर्टिकल के बहुत सारे इंटरप्रिटेशंस हैं और ये जो इंटरप्रिटेशन है इससे क्या होता है, बहुत सारे इन्फर्ड राइट्स निकलते हैं. अब ये इन्फर्ड राइट्स क्या होता है? व्हाट इज इन्फर्ड राइट्स? बुआना विल टेल. अमन कहां चले गया? व्हाट इज दिस इन्फर्ड राइट्स? बुआना, what is this inferred rights? Sakshi, Buwana. Hidden rights. Palak.
Which rights have not been provided by the constitution but have been derived from certain article or certain.
No, write down. Aman, what is inferred rights? ये बीच में गायब हो गया था. What is inferred rights? कोई तो बताओ.
Inferred. Sir, implied?
नहीं, छोड़ दो, रहने दो. लिखो. Inferred rights are those rights. Inferred rights are those rights which are not mentioned in the Constitution. Which are not mentioned in the Constitution, but these are derived from a particular article. Even the violation of these rights, even the violation of these inferred rights is an offense. Even the violation of this inferred rights is an offense. अगर कोई inferred rights को और वो राइट्स जो कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में मेंशन नहीं होते, अगर आप कोई इसका वायलेट करता है, कोई इस इन्फर्ड राइट्स को वायलेट करता है, वो भी एक ऑफेंस होता है. ठीक है?
Sure.
हाँ.
So what I have told then,
What I have told them?
I only told this only ना.
भाई यार तूने ये नहीं बताया ना कि क्या
जब
बोलते
मैंने
हैं.
ये आगे आपने बोलने ही नहीं दिया मुझे.
अच्छा
रोक
आगे
दिया ना.
बोलने नहीं दिया. अच्छा तो तू रो क्यों रही है? तू कभी गलत हो सकती है, तो रो मत. इस पिछले टेस्ट में हाईएस्ट किसके थे? मंजू के थे ना. किसकी? मंजू के थे ना.
Yes.
पढ़ना मत. ठीक है, अब मैं पूरा बोलने दूंगा. ठीक है, रो मत. अब क्या था? राइट डाउन सम इंटरप्रिटेशंस. Some interpretations of Article 21 are right to dignified life, right to dignified life. अमन ने बोला था ना कैरेक्टर असेसिनेशन. राइट डाउन. राइट टू हैव अ रेपुटेशन. राइट टू हैव अ रेपुटेशन. Right of an accident victim. Right of an accident victim to get medical aid. Right of an accident victim to get a medical aid. Right to shelter. Right to have a speedy trial. Right to have a speedy trial. Under trials should not be kept with criminals. Under trials should not be kept with criminals. कुछ और चीजें ऐड करना चाहता हूं, वो भी लिख लीजिए. आई वांट टू ऐड सर्टेन थिंग्स मोर, सो प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. राइट टू डाई विथ डिग्निटी. इज्जत के साथ आपको मरना है. लाइक इवन if someone is ill, it should not be like you are throwing him out of the house that you are going to die anyways, I'm going to talk. आप मरने वाले हो, मैंने आपको रोड पे फेंक दिया. No, every person born on this earth has a right to die with a dignity. Write down. A person has, it is also a part of life, because जब तक when you are not losing your last breath, जब तक आपकी आखिरी सांस है, you are alive, so you have a proper, like you have a proper right to live your life with dignity. So अच्छी मौत भी, even a good death is part of right to life. Okay, this can be a question in your prelims. Right to die with dignity is an interpretation of Article 21. Yes, it is definitely an interpretation of Article 21. Write it down. Got it? Understanding or not? Speak to me. अरे भैया पूछो. Okay. हाँ कृतिका.
So when we talk about dignity, life with dignity, do we include the mental or emotional state of a person, whether he is living in a peaceful environment?
Yeah, Kritika. If
So
someone
then,
talks,
the old age people who are living with their relatives and all, they are not treated properly. So
if they are
is
not
this
treated
violation of
if they are not treated properly, they can approach the judiciary. If they are not treated properly, they can approach the judiciary for their rights, and the judiciary can take action against those people who are disturbing them. Okay, Aman is typing something. Jaldi पूछ Aman. Can't there be any right post death like having a proper funeral? Yeah, there is a right after post death also, that you are like, if I am dead, my body should be cremated in a proper manner. It's like proper funeral, not proper funeral. My body should be given, my dead body should be given equal amount of respect as much as I got before I was living. Okay, as it should not be like I should be thrown into like Nali and all. I should be cremated in a proper manner, even though my dead body should be given proper respect. Okay, like अमन समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir. ECRT के अंदर आएगा.
आवाज नहीं आई.
This comes under this Article 21.
हाँ भाई, इस आर्टिकल के ना बहुत सारे इंटरप्रिटेशन है, उसके अंडर ये आता है ठीक है, और ये आर्टिकल में मैं कुछ और इंटरप्रिटेशंस भी लिखवा दूं तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि ये आर्टिकल किस हद तक जा सकता है, ठीक है। दिस पीपल आर राइटिंग, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे आर राइटिंग, जल्दी पूछो। ओके, राइट ऑफ अ कपल, राइट डाउन, राइट ऑफ अ कपल, right of a couple to adopt a child, right of a couple to adopt a child, right of a couple to adopt a child to make their life meaningful. Okay, right of a couple to adopt a child to make their life meaningful. Okay, now क्लियर। तो एक कपल को, कोई भी व्यक्ति, उनका अगर बेबी नहीं हो रहा है, कोई भी उनके लाइफ में कोई मीनिंग नहीं है, तो दे कैन एडॉप्ट अ चाइल्ड, उनके लाइफ को मीनिंगफुल करने के लिए, ये आर्टिकल के अंदर आता है। राइट ऑफ अ पर्सन टू गो अब्रॉड, अगर किसी व्यक्ति को बाहर जाना है, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अंडर हिज राइट टू लाइफ, कि हाँ भाई आई वॉन्ट टू लीव माई लाइफ अंडर दिस सर्कमस्टांसेस, मुझे इस तरीके से अपना लाइफ जीना है। सो इफ अ पर्सन वांट्स टू गो अब्रॉड, it also come under his right to life, that he wants to live in a different environment. Please write that down. Right of a person to go abroad, this is also an interpretation of article 21. Right of a person to go abroad. Okay, write down. If somebody, let us take an extreme example. Okay, if somebody is like, yeah, Ruxana, this comes under article 21A. I'll discuss that. But now I am talking about only 21. I haven't gone to 21A. I will explain that part also. Right to free education amendment, I'll discuss that also. That comes under this article. It will come ahead. But wait, right of a convict to get a bail. Suppose our Hatoda Tyagi Aman has committed a crime. If he wants a bail, okay, if he wants a bail, he can apply for a bail. Like he wants to come out, he can apply for a bail. Aman, तुझे बुरा तो नहीं लगता यार? यार हाँ लगता तो है, नहीं लगता, ठीक है। So like I'd like to take the living example so it sticks to your mind, हाँ? So क्या बोलते हैं? So if someone has committed a crime, he is put behind bars, he has the right to apply for a bail. मतलब वो बाहर आने के लिए bail launch कर सकता है। लिखो right to apply for a bail. Okay. Now the thing comes as, see, article 21A will come here. Now we have 2 minutes left. I won't be able to complete. When a judge is listening to an article, a case under article 21, जब एक व्यक्ति, कोई भी judge, no, wait, is 377 under this article? No. Okay, wait. When a judge, कोई भी judge article 21 के अंडर कोई भी केस सुन रहा है, if a judge is listening to a case under article 21, he has certain things to follow. In next class we will look into those aspects कि एक judge judgment देने से पहले considering that part should be under article 21 of Indian Constitution. अगर वो केस article 21 से related है, only and only when the case is related to article 21, before delivering the judgment, the judge has to take certain aspect into consideration, that is due process of law, procedure established by law and principle of natural justice, and we will read that in next class. Okay, and we will read article 21A also. Okay, and we will summarize article 21 and then we will go for 22. Is this much clear? Whatever has been taught?
Yes, sir.
Aman, Sharda,
Yes,
ठीक है? Okay. Next is environment class. Do one thing, guys. Yeah, I am again telling you that PDF. Okay, it is very useful. Finish it quickly. because in 15 days I will be giving you a PDF of this month. Okay, this month's PDF I will give you. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Okay, enjoy environments class. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
आज पलक बहुत
Thank
गुस्सा है
you.
कि मैंने उसके आंसर को बोल दिया गलत है। पलक तू
हाँ,
कभी
सर।
सही नहीं हो सकती, कभी
तो
सही
मैं
नहीं हो
सही
सकती।
थी, आपने सेम चीज बोल दी उसके बाद।
ना ना तू गलत है।
तो किसी से भी पूछ लो।
कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा। चलो ठीक है, बाय, टेक केयर गाइस।